Ate Ray,
Ah.
unsa man imuhang maistorya sa mga bata na dili magpunas before matulog?
Guys, before mag-sleep, you have to wash your face, punas, and you have to dress up every night. And don't forget to brush every night. And then your parents will be proud if you will so bango. So that's why punas is important. Thank you guys. Bye. Subscribe.
Unsa sa istorya ni Arto te?
Subscribe.
Ikaw istorya Arto, ikaw istorya. Ikaw istorya.